I've been building a lot of things recently, a lot of side projects, a lot of small projects. What I realized pretty quickly is that I wanted two opposite things at the same time. I wanted to speed up the clerical work of starting a new project, but actually slow down the thinking that goes into it. And what I was doing before was kind of backwards. I would get an idea, open my terminal, and start setting things up, making a folder, naming it something random, initializing Git, setting up configs. And as soon as that was done, I would jump straight into Claude Code and start asking it to write code. The problem was that I hadn't really thought through the project yet. So a few weeks later, I would have a bunch of generated code, a lot of files, and this vague feeling of, wait, what was I even trying to build here? And I realized I was rushing through the thinking and spending more time on the boring setup. And I wanted to flip that. I wanted the setup to be almost instant, so I could use that extra time and attention to slow myself down and actually think. That's why I built this little CLI called Mint. Now when I'm starting a new project, I open my terminal and just type Mint and the name of the project. Or I can just type Mint and it'll ask me what I'm trying to build. And based on that, it suggests a few project names using DigitalOcean's Inference API. Not because the name really matters that much at this stage, it's just a prototype or an early stage version I'm building, but because it helps me get past that blank start point and then move on. And then once I answer that, it does a few things automatically. It creates a new project directory, and then inside that, it creates a docs folder. Inside the docs folder, it creates a few files that I always want for my project as part of the workflow I have, like a y.md file and a decisions.md file. And it also initializes Git, changes into the directory, and opens those files for me. So within a few seconds, I'm not staring at an empty folder anymore. I'm staring at a file that's asking me to think. And this is where I intentionally slow down. Before I write any code, before I even talk to Claude, I open up y.md, which is automatically done by Mint for me, and I answer a few simple questions that the file already includes. Why am I building this? What am I not building? And when is this done? And that second question, what I'm not building, is really important for me. It's basically permission to ignore things. It keeps the scope small. It stops the project from quietly turning into something bigger than it needs to be. And the nice side effect is that when I do bring Claude into the picture, it already has context. It knows what I'm trying to do. It knows what I'm explicitly not trying to do, and it knows when to stop. So instead of rushing into code, I spend maybe a few minutes more thinking, and the setup only takes about 30 seconds. Thinking gets the time it actually deserves, and then I'm ready to build.